Greetings, I hope you are fine. Alright, let's start with the first lesson ahead. And right now, today we are starting with something we gonna use constantly, and this is Al-Basmalah. In Arabic, Al-Basmalah means Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and in English, it is in the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Now, here is the deal. You must say Basmala in four specific situations. Let's break them down. Number one, at the beginning of every surah, except only one surah, Surat Al-Tawba. So for every surah, you start with Basmala, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, except for Surat Al-Tawba, no Basmala there. Number two, at the beginning of your reading, when you are first sit down to recite, you start with Basmala. Number three, let's say you just finished Surah and you wanna read another Surah, the same Surah again, you got to say Basmala again before you restart it. And finally, number four, if you finish your Surah and you wanna to read a different Surah, but the next Surah actually come before you just finished that surah and you just go into the next one, but in an order of the mushaf you are going backward, so you still say basmala. So that's all for situation of basmala, straightforward, right? That's for wrapping up all the basmala situation.